guys, alright guys, so right now I'm camping and it started raining. Everyone's just right out there. They're all in that little area. There's the fire. The entire car is wet. I'm inside it. This is a 2001 Volvo station wagon. Sorry if you guys can't see me. Hold on. I actually guess you guys can see me now. I probably look really creepy. Hold on. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm like waiting it out. I hope tomorrow's not as rainy. My dog's just right out there. Everyone's right out there. This damn camera won't focus in on them. Alright, well, getting ready to go to sleep because this rainstorm is starting to freak me out. Alright, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Last night, and this is my Android that I'm filming with. And in case you're wondering, this is my mom's car. And there is no way to fall asleep at night. This floor is so hard. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna get out. And I'm gonna go walk down the road, show you guys the rest of the place. Go! Alright, so this is the woods I'm in. Alright, yeah. So. Oh, here's our hammock. Oh, it's finally dry. In case you guys are wondering, we're in the mountains right now. We're going home today. I started vlogging last night in the car where I was gonna sleep, and yeah, so anyway, well, I'll see y'all when I leave, or like, I'll see you guys in a few minutes when I go to a different spot. Alright, bye. So, I've been here for a day now, and I'll tell you about sleeping in the back of the car. It just hurt my back. Like, the floor was extremely hard. I mean, I still eventually fell asleep, but I couldn't lay on my sides. The floor, it was just solid. It was like solid wood or something. Yeah. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna get out of this hammock. Out here for a while now, and everyone's just back at the campsite. I'm gonna see, whoa, what's up here? There's just a wall. I haven't completely explored this place yet. So, yeah. People camping on a Ford Escape. That's the car I want to get when I grow up. A Ford Escape. The 2012 though, because those are they still make them all big if they're in 2012. They still have that good body style that I like. Yeah. Last time people were here with an RV. Oh wait, no, they were down here in the RV. They literally just parked their Ford RV over here. I'm gonna see what's up this trail. There's so many trails. So I'm gonna keep going up here until I find out what's at the top. I heard what's at the top was like a fence, but I'm gonna go check it out anyway because I'm bored. Now I'm gonna switch off to my other phone to film with. Yeah, these are the woods. I know, guys, I'm really tired right now and hungry. I gotta eat food soon. There's a clearing up here. Alright then. I'll see you guys back at camp. So lately, my Wi-Fi has been acting up. I'm gonna be trying to play Slither.io, but it's not working. I think I just need to play against AI. Nickname. I'm gonna go with aggressively 557. Cause that's short. I'm going with it. Alright. So I'm filming this off my Samsung. I like the purple one. You make me feel like the guy from Five Nights at Freddy's, purple guy. Oh, ooh, no, oh boy. Okay. How do you get this thing to focus? I like that dark purple color though. Oh boy, I killed you, King Julius, or whatever your name is. You can pronounce me King Aggressively Average 557. It's hard to see with my camera. I've just been trying to play Slither.io, but it's just not choosing to work. I'm inside my car right now, and yeah, no, oh! Alright, so my time is correct. Right, so I'm doing this to pass the time. Oh! No! Alright, let's play again. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna turn. I'm just gonna crash into some guy so I can change up my Slither. Change skin. Build a Slither. I'm gonna choose the silver one. Oh, wait. Oh shoot, my battery's low. Got 15%. I'm playing. I'm gonna change my name to. God, never mind. I'm not changing it. I don't have any Wi-Fi, so I have to play against the AI. Oh, piece of candy. Oh, piece of candy killed me. Oh, alright, guys, so. Alright, oh, alright, I'm gonna switch cameras back over to this one. Okay, so I just switched cameras, So I gotta move all my files over to I'm gonna move all my files over to this phone so I can edit them. But yeah, I'm inside my car. I was just playing Sliderio on my phone, and how low the battery is. Hold on. Those are the kids. The same ones from the 4th of July video where the old lady yelled at us. Damn, that was one of the best memories. I got no signal, no network connection on the Samsung phone, so I'm going to put it back in my bag. As a matter of fact, I got to pack up because we're going to leave at noon. So yeah, guys, hope you're enjoying this camping vlog. There's more coming up later on. I'm going to film us driving. I'm going to film us driving home. I had to lay these seats flat last night just to sleep in here, and it was not fun, believe me. Alright guys, so I did not end up filming us driving home. Part of the reason was well, for one, my phone was dead, and two, I just got really tired, so I just relaxed the whole drive home. And yeah, because also as soon as I got back in that, signal, as soon as I got a signal on my phone, this is what happened. I just got a whole bunch of notifications at once. I subscribed to so many channels, followed so many people on Instagram, so yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.